come through. Loud PT. Golf. Green seatbelts, green roll cage, the green, the white, the old Merc, the blue and black. That's right. E30, pretty sure.
How you doing, mate? You alright?
Yes, good. It's that, what you did in a minute, you're going to follow these, halfway down, quick entry shot, and then those are parked up on the grass corner. Sound? Alright. Cheers, mate.
And then we're gonna go. And then we go see the cars inside the meet now. Well, now that we are in the car meet, let's go have a look around. We have Subaru VRZ already. A strange exhaust. Very strange. Monster hands for exhaust. Never heard of such a thing. This GTI, it actually looks nice. It's very clean. Very, very clean. We've got some and Ferrari. Definitely a Ferrari. A carbon fiber. Well, questionable license plate. Anyway, we've got the R8 now. Engine bay, the V10. It's quite cool. Alright. I wonder what could it be? Probably a modified Fiesta. But this, I've got a Skyline. We think that's the same Skyline that does drift out of that oven every single time. We've got an S1. We've got it's an Audi. Ooh, shit. We've got a Silvia that is quite low to the ground. Like I said, very, very low to the ground. Some stickers. Something coming in. Let's have a look. I think it's an S5. I'm not quite sure. Anyway, we've got this MG and this Toyota mixed up. The MG. Yeah. Oh no, there's a Civic. There's a Civic with lots of carbon fibre. And very loud. Anyway, that Civic's very distracting. Could you stop the revs? It's not even revving, it's just loud. It's loud, very loud Civic. Got M4, another M4. I've got two Miatas. This one, is that carbon fibre? I'm not quite sure. There's a Spider. There's a spider. I think there's a doggy as well, but anyway, my phone is a bit glitchy, but we've got Goosey in the car, and one of the squid guys from Mario, I don't know his name, but anyway, Miata, Scooby, got an S40 I think, I'm not quite sure, very clean though. Oh, purple gear shifter, Miata. Has this got anything in it? No, we've got some stickers. Oh, it's Dangar. Thank you, Mum. Anything inside of... Oh, we got modified Nations Unit, I don't know. More stickers. And we got this RX-7 over here, which I am loving. Massive exhaust. Massive exhaust. I don't know what else to say about it. It's just nice RX-7. Look at the front. Look, the vents, they vent. Let me say that, the vents definitely vent. And there's more little vents in this front. So, MR2 is just, it's clean. It's just clean in general. Got an M3. E92. Got another M3. Yeah. Anyway, the Polo loves racing. Some more cars here. And look, two more Miatas. You don't have anything on display. We've got some stickers. What was I right? Yes, it's an S5. It's so loud. Civic's got some carbon fibre on it. And oh my god, do not tell me this isn't. Do not tell me this isn't. Oh, it's a Silvia. Oh, Silvia's nice. Oh, see that. Got an Evo. So anyway, back to the stuff after my camera cut off again for no reason. We have new arrivals. We have this Golf. And then we also have Jag.
I think they just built
And that, let's keep on and look, head back as a hit where we were headed. And I think we're going to have a look at the Ferrari. Hang on a minute. Look at this. New arrival. I think the Rover's trying to. Oh no, the Rover's not trying to run. But anyway, this Golf. Green seat belts. Green calipers. Green. Well, look at Ferrari now. That's all look. Yeah, alright. Giddy. I think it's trying to say giggly. Get a good look at the R8. Have a look in the back. You can see anything there. Now we've got the Ferrari. Only gay cops pull me over. And then play, which is rude, like the other Ferrari. It's quite dusty. Oh, Euros. There's Euros in the middle. There's this board. Pretty sure I've already looked at it, but yeah, we got. Why? What? Why? Just why? So I'm gonna go to eat and come back later.